Marketing teams deserve a massive raise. They make a plastic disc look like a revolutionary piece of space technology. You see those slick videos and you think your floor cleaning days are finally over for good. The actual reality is a bit more grounded. This latest automated vacuum is good, but it is not magic. It looks incredible on its charging dock. The finish is sleek. It feels like a high-end piece of hardware. You notice this when pulling it out of the box. Setting it up is a breeze. This is a nice change from other smart gadgets. You open the app. It connects to your network without any digital headaches. Within minutes, it starts spinning. It creates a digital map of your entire floor. It is quite a sight to see it work. The suction is genuinely impressive. It handles daily messes and debris well. It picks up crumbs and fine dust from hard floors. It even handles carpets without breaking a sweat. It moves quietly. You can hold a conversation while it works. You can even watch a movie nearby. But then you notice things the commercials left out. Navigation is great in wide open spaces. But things get awkward in tight corners. It struggles under low-hanging furniture. The little bot hesitates frequently. It stops and thinks for a long time. Sometimes it needs a literal nudge to get back on track. It gets confused by a simple chair leg. Then there is the dustbin size. At this price point, you expect a cavernous tank. You want it to hold a week of dirt. Instead, it is surprisingly small. You will find yourself emptying it often. You will do this more than you planned. It is not the set it and forget it dream from the brochures. We also need to talk about the mopping feature. This is where the hype hits a wall. Do not expect it to scrub away old coffee stains. It will not fix dried mud. It is more of a damp wipe than a deep scrub. It gives floors a nice polished look. It is a good touch-up between real cleans. It is not a replacement for a traditional mop. The battery life is another reality check. It does fine for a standard apartment. It works for mid-sized floor plans. But massive homes are a challenge. Be prepared for it to return to base mid-cycle. It will need to recharge before finishing the job. This is not a deal breaker. But you should know this before spending money. This machine is a legitimate tool. It is not a marketing gimmick. It cleans well. The smart mapping is reliable. It just is not a magic solution. It is a helpful roommate that sometimes forgets things. It needs its hand held through narrow doorways. You have to manage your expectations. It keeps the dust bunnies at bay while you are at work. That makes it a great choice. Just do not expect it to solve every problem. It is a step forward for home tech. But it still has physical limitations. It has small containers that need constant attention. This is the real experience of living with the future. You might find yourself cheering for it when it finally clears a difficult rug. You might also find yourself sighing when you have to rescue it from a stray sock. It is a mix of high-tech wonder and low-tech chores. That is the trade-off we make for automation today. It is useful. It is stylish. But it is still just a machine doing its best in a messy human world.